Welcome, my dear student, to this our new topic and the important topic, because this topic is very important. By using this one, we are trying to write a small program as fast as possible. That is the program structure in VHDL. Normally, this program structure in VHDL will be classified in the three parts. That is, first is the library, second one is the entity, and third one is the architecture. As the previously we know that we are trying to design unit, and in that one we will see the entity and architecture, that the very important term. But now here we are trying to see the program structure in VHDL. So basically the program structure will be divided in three parts: library, entity, and architecture. Now what is this program structure? If suppose for example anyone will ask me that where are you living, or what is your address, what is your permanent address. So whenever someone will ask you our permanent address, we will start with your proper native colony. For example, my native colony is Equira Vidyut colony, like that one. After that, completing colony, next is the in which nagar you are living, that in which nagar this colony is belonging. So that Equira Vidyut colony is belonging to Sainagar. So that Equira Vidyut colony, comma, Sainagar. Now this Sainagar will belonging to in which city? So next city name, that is Amravati. Now next one, this Amravati is belonging to the which state? So it belonging to the Maharashtra. So Equira Vidyut colony, Sainagar, Amravati, Maharashtra. But this Maharashtra state, it belonging to the which nation? So it belonging to the India. So that Equira Vidyut colony, Sainagar, Amravati, Maharashtra, India. So this is your proper address, or this is the particular structure of your address. So if anyone will be said to you that please divide the address structure of your address. So colony, nagar, city, state, or district, state, and nation. We are trying to divide that address in these 4 to 5 parts. Similarly, whenever you are trying to write the VHDL program, in VHDL program also there is some program structure, and there are total 3 program structure that we have. First is the library, it is the initial program structure, second is the entity, and third one is the architecture. Now first is the library. So we will see the first library. Now whenever you are writing any VHDL language, what I told you, any VHDL language. Now this part is very important. Now from this time your programming concept will be a start. Whenever you are writing any VHDL language program, any VHDL program, it start with a word, or it start with the first letter library IEEE. This library IEEE is the very important term, that is called the header line of any VHDL language. Next line will be certain use IEEE dot std underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all. Now this term will be the very important, as you know that IEEE is particular standard, so that we will use the IEEE library, because it will use IEEE language. So we are use IEEE, that will told you International Electrical Electronics Engineering, like that one something. Okay, so we will not go in that, using IEEE library. Second one is standard logic. If you remember, in the previous video we will see the different types of logic. So there is a standard logic term will be there, so that standard logic term will be used here. So that use standard logic 1164 package is of the library, and 1164, the term used as a 1164, that 1164 is a particular package, which will use completely. And for what purpose we are trying to describe this library? Because in the next of that library, in architecture or in entity, we are trying to use a certain terms. So whatsoever which are using certain terms, that all the terms will be belonging to that library. So for that purpose, this library plays a very important role in terms of programming. If you write a program without library, that program will not be run, because you are giving the certain terms. We are taking certain terms, but we can't specify that from where we are using that term. आपने कुछ टर्म लिख लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर राइटिंग एड, subtract, multiplication, division, but these terms are the merge, and, or we are writing the number of terms, but you can't specify that these terms are coming from where, ये कहाँ से है ये आपने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किए, तो वो आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा लाइब्रेरी में. So for that purpose library is used, and there is a proper syntax of the library is given, that library IEEE use IEEE.stdi_logic_1164.all. ये 2-3 लाइन जो है ये आपको एनी हाउ कुछ भी करके याद करनी है. अगर आपके याद नहीं होता होगा तो उसको कुछ भी करके मगअप कर लो, बट दिस टर्म विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये क्यों यूज किया है, कैसे यूज किया है, हर एक चीज का मीनिंग क्या है. That is very important, but you are trying to remember it, because this term will be very very important. Okay, now in the next video we are trying to discuss the entity. So that is the second important part of programming. Okay, so here you get the clear idea of the library. Okay, thank you very much.